about that new interview where the military pilot gets ejected off a plane seat?
I did. And did you know that that seat was made in Johnstown, Pennsylvania, in Martin Baker, America?
Really?
Yeah, and every time you get ejected, you shrink a whole inch.
Yeah, you can only be ejected 3 times before you're not allowed to fly anymore.
No way.
It's crazy.
So my name is Matt Johnson. I'm the general manager here at Martin Baker America. So a lot of the production we do is in the helicopter seating world. From start to finish, it happens in about a week. There are a lot of regulations for the Department of Defense that they want the industrial base to be here domestically. We try to make as much as we can here, procure as much as we can in the States. And in terms of manufacturing, I think there's a lot of threat out there that robotics and AI are going to take jobs. A lot of the things that we make are very customized. They don't really lend themselves to a lot of over-automation.
I'm Robert Semmelsberger, and I'm the engineering manager at Martin Baker America. I think to date, Martin Baker as a whole has saved over 7,800 lives. I think over 3,500 of those lives were U.S. pilots, and we have a saying here that aircrew safety systems are the one thing that absolutely have to work every time.
Hi, my name is Shane Kubis. These seats are for our military. I am a veteran. The seats that we build here, they're supposed to save your back in case of a hard landing.
My name's Brandon Norman McHales, call sign Norman, F-18 Super Hornet pilot in the United States Navy. And in March 15th of 2010, I was in a mid-air collision and I suffered catastrophic engine failure and damage to the aircraft and was forced to eject out of my aircraft. It's an eject. I had no other options, and at that point I pulled the Martin Baker ejection handle to get out of the aircraft. And here I am 16 years later, still alive. Thankful for what Martin Baker provided me, a second chance at life. You have one option and one opportunity, and it has to work first time. No failures are allowed because you have to get out of that aircraft that's fallen.
Martin Baker's a great place to work, and it's really rewarding, saving lives.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
Martin Baker America!